Well, reaction continues to pour in from around the world as leaders share their condolences and prayers for the Pope. Some shared, that is, special moments with the pontiff, and others reflected on his legacy. EWTN news contributor Julia Convery has more.
Javier Milei, the president of Argentina, the Pope's native country, stated that having been able to know him in his kindness and wisdom was a true honor for me. Meanwhile, Giorgia Meloni, the Prime Minister of Italy, shared that she had the privilege of enjoying his friendship, his advice, and his teachings, which never failed even in moments of trial and suffering. From Ukraine, President Zelenskyy shared his support. He knew how to give hope, ease suffering through prayer, and foster unity. He prayed for peace in Ukraine and for Ukrainians. And King Charles issued a statement on behalf of the royal family. We were greatly moved to have been able to visit him earlier this month. We send our most heartfelt condolences. Moving over to France, Emmanuel Macron shared a photo of him and his wife meeting with the Pope, saying, "Pope Francis wanted the Church to bring joy and hope to the poorest. May this hope be reborn endlessly beyond him." And lastly, the current Prime Minister of Canada, Mark Carney, reflected on the Pope's visit to Canada in 2022. He extended his papacy to the furthest margins, always attentive to the poor and most vulnerable. Julia Convery, EWTN News Nightly.